Hello learner, in last video we have seen that how to prepare, what is the concept of profit and loss appropriation account. Now let us do one basic sum through which you can get clear idea about profit, how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Here the basic sum is given. Aditya, Bijal and Charu set up the partnership firm on 1st April 2025. They contributed rupees 5 lakh, 4 lakh and 3 lakh respectively as their capitals and agreed to share the profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. Here the capital of the partners are given and the profit sharing ratio of partners are given. Aditya is to be paid salary of 10,000 per month. Whenever in a question it is given like per month, per annum, उसको आपको खास नोट डाउन करके रखना है. Read the question carefully, it will be helpful to get the correct answer. 10,000 per month बोला हुआ है हमें यहाँ पे. 10,000 पर मंथ यानी कि पूरे साल का कितना होगा? पूरे साल का हमें करना होगा 10,000 into 12 यानी कि 1,20,000 will be the salary which is paid to the Aditya. And Bijal a commission of rupees 50,000. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं लिखा है पर एनम पर मंथ, तो वो पर एनम के लिए ही होगा 50,000. It is also provided that the interest to be allowed on capital at the rate 6%. सी यहाँ पे पार्टनरशिप डीड में ही डिसाइड किया हुआ है कि वी विल पे द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एट द रेट 6% पर एनम. द ड्रॉइंग्स ऑफ द ईयर फॉर आदित्य इट इज 60,000, for Bijal it is 40,000 and Charu it is 20,000. It is not the interest on drawing, it is the amount of drawing of partners are given. Now comes the point interest on drawing. Interest on drawing directly आपको calculate करके ही दे दिया है. It is 2,700 charge on Aditya's drawing, 1,800 on Bijal's drawing and 1,200 on Charu's drawing. The net profit as per the profit and loss account यहाँ पे आपको दिया हुआ है नेट प्रॉफिट. नेट प्रॉफिट हमने देखा था कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर होगा? ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. इट इज गिवन 3,56,600. आपको क्या डिमांड किया है? यू आर सपोज टू प्रिपेयर द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट टू शो द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट अमॉन्ग द पार्टनर्स. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू गिव द हेडिंग. इफ यू विल गिव द heading it will look appropriate. And the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended on 31st March 2025. The first of all we'll start the sum by putting the profit which is received from profit and loss account. By profit and loss account 3,56,600. Then after profit and loss appropriation में क्या क्या आता है? All the expenses which is regarded to the partners and all the income which is received from the partners. तो ये क्वेश्चन में अगर आप देखोगे, ये क्वेश्चन में you will have the expenses that is salary and commission. तो we'll write on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account आदित्य सैलरी. यहाँ पे आप ब्रैकेट में लिख सकते हो for your understanding purpose 10,000 into 12, so 1,20,000. Bijal commission, it is not given specifically per annum per month, so it will be total 50,000. Then another expense for firm is interest on capital. It will be calculated at the rate 6%. The amount of capital is given to you and interest on capital will be calculated always on the opening capital. Remember this. So 5 lakh, 4 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh का 6% यानी कि 30,000. Then 4 lakh का 6% यानी कि 24,000 and 3 lakh का 6% यानी कि 18,000. So this will be the interest on capital. Total interest on capital will be written in the outer column 72,000 and interest on drawing is an income for the partnership firm. So आदित्य के पास हमें मिला 2,400, बिजल के पास से मिला 1,800 and चारू के पास से मिला 1,200. Total 5,400 we have received. So at the end we'll need to do the total 3,56,600 plus 5,400, it comes to 3,62,000. उसमें से अगर आप माइनस करोगे एक्सपेंसेस 120, 50 and 72, you will get the divisible profit, which is 1,20,000. Now this 1,20,000 will be distributed between the partners in their agreed ratio, which is given in the question 3:2:1. तो 3:2:1 में हमें डिवाइड करना है डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट 3:2:1. It comes to 60,000, 40,000 and 20,000. Thank you.